Hi guys, you're most welcome in this amazing tutorial. You can see this is my chat GPT with our tool. Okay, here we have like human written content writer, YouTube script creator, one click blog post. How this is work? Okay, let me show. Like pass AI detection tool test like that. So I clicked this is like blog post title generator. We have to put here our keyword. For example, my keyword is fitness and just hit the enter button. You can see it's generating title for our blog post. So just click copy this title and here you can use any tool. Okay, we have here many tools. Okay, like that you can see. For example, I want to write a SEO friendly article, so here you can see enter blog title here. Okay, click on that and paste your title for blog post. Just hit the enter. So now you can see it's generating article for us. This is title and this is really you can see this. Okay, meanwhile I can show you other tools as well. So okay, so let me click here on new tab, new chat, sorry. I have to select all. Keyword strategy, we can do keyword research as well, my friend. Write a complete book in one click. We can write create KDP Amazon ebook as well. Okay, we can rewrite article. If we have any article on our website, we can rewrite that. SEO audit of our existing content. Really outline for your blog post. You can see here we have 82 like 802 prompt. Really amazing. So in next page I can show you like blog title generator, find questions. We can as well optimize our Google My Business profiles, Instagram description caption generator. Okay, and meta title and description Quora answer. You can create like Quora account and after that you can answer all question here. This is magic tool. Okay, now here you can see our article is ready for launch. So look this title and wow, amazing, you can see this. Okay, let me open this Quora answer. Here we have to put our question. Okay, what is fitness? What is fitness? It is simple question. Okay, you can put any questions. Like this we can get answer and yeah, we can use that on Quora. 30 social media post and image suggestion with one click. Okay, let me click on that. Business name is a business type. Okay, let me think. Eh, for example, this is my title maybe. This will create like suggestion for us for our blog, for like Instagram post maybe. You can see this, okay? This is giving suggestion for image as well. I will show you in this video how you can generate images as well. Maybe if I have time, okay. Like this, we can generate SEO article, YouTube script as well, tag, title, description as well. So yeah, it's really amazing tool. So I can build like this for you. I can connect your chat GPT with this tool. So you can message me on Fiverr. For Fiverr as well, Fiverr gig description generator. Let me click on that. I have to enter here title for my gig. I This is my title, okay? Let me see. You can see this, okay? In this video, I am not able to show like all attendant to prompt domain name generator. If you are going to buy any new domain, so you can generate name for that. For example, my topic is AI, okay? I want to generate domain name. Like here is 100 domain name ideas. You can see this magic. Write a chapter for any informative book. Keyword strategy. You can see keyword idea by search intent. Okay, let me show you keyword idea. My keyword is okay. This is my keyword, by the way. I can definitely help you with that. You can see this search volume, CPC, paid difficulty, SU difficulty. It's generating keyword list for us. Guys, you can see this. Wow, amazing. For YouTube script and like that. Email marketing series outline. We can find site as well. For example, we for freelancing, okay. I'm doing freelancing, so yeah, I put this keyword. Let me see this how it is work. Yeah, this is correct answer. Freelancer.com. Fiverr. Yeah, it's correct by the way. Okay, next is pin description for Pinterest. Internal linking suggestion. Here we have to paste our article. Let me copy this. I want to show something to you. That's why. Maybe it video will be a long video. So, but okay, this is okay. It's suggesting something. Yeah. So just I have to click on new tab. Amazon product review writer. Wow. Easy meta description, influencer outreach. It will write like call DM, like Instagram DM or like that. Okay, bio. I have to write bio. Okay, I can show you this as well. Just I have to hit first enter the keyword and after that I have to hit the enter button. That's it. Look this guys. Totally amazing. I clicked on next. There is a lot of things, so if you want this tool I can connect this with your chat GPT. You just have to message me on Fiverr, so I done deep research about that, about this tool. So yeah, I can connect with your chat GPT. You can use this and get benefited for that. So you do not need to pay more money for your digital marketing, for your online business. Just use this tool. It's really totally amazing tool. In within $100 I will connect this with your chat GPT. I hope you got the idea. Thanks for watching. See you soon.